Hello and welcome to Air News Daily on Friday the 9th of January. I'm Jeremy Spake. Qatar Airways has become the first airline in the world to equip its 787 Dreamliners with Starlink's high-speed satellite Wi-Fi. The carrier confirmed that 3 of its Dreamliners have already had the Starlink technology installed, which now means that almost 120 of its fleet are offering guests a faster-than-home Wi-Fi experience across its network. Staying in the Middle East, Emirates have confirmed that their premium economy product will be rolled out to an additional 10 destinations in the coming months. Customers travelling to Barcelona and Mexico City will be able to enjoy the enhanced economy experience from the 1st of February, with Rome, Copenhagen, Cochin, Karachi, Taipei, Phuket, Brisbane and Addis Ababa all expected to be offering the product in time for the busy summer schedule. Aer Lingus has suspended sales from the 31st of March on its transatlantic routes from Manchester. The move is considered to be a strong indication that the carrier's UK subsidiary Aer Lingus UK may very soon stop flying for good, resulting in the closure of the airline's Manchester base, which opened in 2021 when the carrier started services to New York, Orlando and Barbados using 2 Airbus A330-300s. Sydney is set to get its second international airport later this year, with Western Sydney International Airport currently on track to open by late 2026. Unlike Sydney's Kingsford Smith Airport, Western Sydney will operate 24 hours a day without curfew restrictions and is currently in a testing phase following the completion of stage 1 of the airport's development. The airport is set to handle 10 million passengers annually, with Air New Zealand, Jetstar, Qantas and Singapore Airlines already signed up to operate from the airport. And finally, Air Borneo marked an historic moment in its history when it commenced services under its own livery for the first time earlier this month. The Kuching-based airline has been operating under the MAS Wings brand, but following the acquisition by the Sarawak government in 2025, the carrier has been rebranded as Air Borneo. The airline's first services were operated by a personal favourite of mine, the Twin Otter. What's not to like about the Twin Otter? We wish them well. Don't forget, if you have a news story, you can get in touch with us via email and social media. Thanks for joining us. We'll be back with you again on Monday with more aviation news from across the globe. In the meantime, have a great weekend.
Join us again on Monday for more news from the aviation world. And don't forget to subscribe to Air News Daily.